How to use filters to organize your email lists in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. First, we need to access the email list section in Moosend. To do this, simply navigate to the menu bar and click on Audience, followed by Email Lists. Once you are on the email list page, you can filter your list to quickly find the ones you need. Above the list of email lists, you will see a Filter by Label drop-down menu. Click on it and select any of the labels that you have added to your email lists. This will display only the lists that have the selected label. Next, you can filter your email lists further by the opt-in status of the subscribers. You will find another drop-down menu called Filter by Opt-in Type. By selecting from the 3 available options, Single Opt-in, Soft Double Opt-in, or Strong Double Opt-in, you can focus on specific groups based on their confirmation status. If you have many email lists and want to find a specific one quickly, you can use the search bar. Simply enter the email list ID, name, or related keywords, and Moosend will show you the matching results instantly. Now let's move on to filtering the data displayed for individual email list members. To do this, go back to the Audience section and click on Email Lists. Choose the desired email list by clicking on its name. On the left-hand menu, you will find an option called View All Members. Click on it to access the Member View page. Here you can filter the data displayed for your email list members. Above your member list, you will see a setting button. Click on it to select the columns you wish to display. You can choose the relevant columns and hide the unnecessary ones to streamline your view. Any changes you make will appear immediately on the All Members page.